New XCollar tube holder. Following the advice of the EMS providers, we have improved on the way to secure endotracheal tubes, making the application completely anterior, thus avoiding placing pressure on neck, veins, or arteries while ensuring the best possible oxygen delivery to the brain. Place the new XCollar tube holder on the tube and slide the bite lock into the patient's mouth. Secure the tube holder's short strap marked Airway on both anchor points nearest to the patient's mouth. Secure the tube to the tube holder by pinching it around the tube and placing 2 wraps of adhesive tape, one around the tube holder and the second around the tube itself.